Here's a surprising twist in the tale of tech evolution. Apple, the tech giant, has decided to discontinue the iPhone Plus model. Yes, you heard it right, the iPhone 16. Plus could very well be the last of its kind, marking the end of an era. The iPhone Plus model, since its inception, has been a favorite among users who preferred a larger screen for a more immersive experience. Its distinct features, including a bigger battery, higher resolution display, and a dual-lens camera system, were well received by users worldwide. However, the winds of change are blowing, and Apple is rumored to replace the iPhone Plus with a new model, potentially the iPhone 17 Slim, starting in 2025. Expected to be thinner with a slightly smaller screen size, the iPhone 17 Slim is set to bring in a new era of design aesthetics. The new lineup, as speculated, would include the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Slim, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max. Each model is expected to come with varying RAM capacities and processor chips, offering a range of options to consumers. The iPhone 17 Pro Max might even flaunt a titanium chassis, adding a touch of premium quality to its exterior. Comparing the new model with the discontinued iPhone Plus, it seems Apple is not just downsizing the screen, but also revamping the design language. The iPhone Plus had a robust design with a larger footprint, while the iPhone 17 Slim is expected to exude a sleek and refined look. It's a radical shift, from the hefty, bold iPhone Plus to the more delicate, streamlined iPhone 17 Slim. However, the discontinuation of the iPhone Plus doesn't signify a compromise on features. The iPhone 17 Slim is expected to pack in advanced features and a powerful processor to ensure an enhanced user experience. It's a classic example of smaller package, bigger surprise. To summarize, the discontinuation of the iPhone Plus marks a significant shift in Apple's design approach. It represents the dawn of a new era, with the iPhone 17 Slim set to usher in a refined aesthetic coupled with powerful features. It's a testament to Apple's relentless pursuit of innovation and design excellence. Remember, these changes are based on rumors and should be taken with a pinch of salt. We'll have to wait until Apple officially unveils the new lineup to know for sure. Until then, it's a fascinating development to ponder. As we bid farewell to the iPhone Plus, we can't help but anticipate what's next in the exciting world of Apple. The iPhone 17 Slim, with its rumored sleek design and powerful features, is already creating a buzz. It's a testament to Apple's ability to stir curiosity and excitement, even as they phase out a beloved model. In the dynamic world of technology, change is the only constant, and Apple seems to be embracing this philosophy with open arms. As we anticipate the arrival of the new lineup, one thing is clear. Apple continues to redefine the boundaries of design and functionality. The iPhone 17 Slim, with its rumored features, is a testament to this spirit of innovation. So, as we bid adieu to the iPhone Plus, we eagerly await the arrival of the iPhone 17 Slim, a symbol of change, innovation, and relentless pursuit of design excellence.